Have you noticed that your strength isn't what it used to be? That getting up from a chair, lifting groceries, or even taking a long walk feels harder than before? It's not just you. After the age of 60, we naturally lose up to 3 to 5% of our muscle mass per decade, a condition known as sarcopenia. But here's the good news. It's never too late to rebuild. According to Harvard Health and the World Health Organization, staying active with the right kinds of physical activity can not only stop muscle loss, it can reverse it. In fact, seniors who engage in regular movement and light sports maintain better balance, flexibility, memory, and independence well into their 80s and 90s. Let me introduce you to Ms. Evelyn, a 67-year-old retired librarian from Vermont. She used to avoid exercise entirely until she noticed her arms and legs becoming weaker and her posture more hunched. But instead of giving in, she tried something new. And what she discovered changed her life. In this video, we'll uncover 5 simple sports and physical activities that are safe, enjoyable, and proven to fight muscle aging after 60. They don't require fancy equipment or a gym membership, just a willingness to start. If you want to stay strong, age gracefully, and enjoy your golden years with vitality, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment "Move Strong" below. Let's begin with the first anti-aging sport, one that's as calming as it is powerful. Activity number 1, Tai Chi, the gentle warrior's movement. When Ms. Evelyn first joined a Tai Chi class at her local community center, she felt unsure. The movements seemed slow, even too simple. But by the end of the first week, she noticed something surprising. Her balance improved, her knees ached less, and her mind felt clearer. Tai Chi, often called meditation in motion, is a traditional Chinese practice involving slow, flowing movements combined with deep breathing and focused attention. It's particularly powerful for older adults because it strengthens muscles without straining joints, improves coordination, and enhances mental clarity. According to a study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, seniors who practiced Tai Chi for just 12 weeks saw significant gains in leg strength, balance, and flexibility, key factors in preventing falls and maintaining independence. But it's not just physical. Tai Chi also reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, which can help improve sleep, mood, and even memory. For Ms. Evelyn, it became more than exercise. It became a grounding daily ritual. "I feel taller, lighter, and more centered every time I leave class," she says. You don't need a background in martial arts to begin. Many local senior centers offer beginner classes, and there are countless free tutorials online. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day in your living room can bring noticeable benefits. Activity number 2, brisk walking, the most underrated. Anti-aging workout. Ms. Evelyn lives near a tree-lined park in her Vermont neighborhood. After getting into a rhythm with Tai Chi, she began incorporating 30-minute brisk walks into her mornings. At first, she thought it wouldn't make much difference. "It's just walking," she told herself. But within a month, her stamina improved. She slept better, and her legs felt stronger. Brisk walking is one of the most accessible and effective ways to reverse muscle aging. According to the Mayo Clinic, walking at a moderate pace, about 3 to 4 miles per hour, helps strengthen major muscle groups in the legs, hips, and core, while also boosting cardiovascular health. What's more, a large-scale study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that older adults who walked just 7,000 steps per day had a 50–70% lower risk of early death compared to those who were sedentary. But here's the real bonus. Walking doesn't just maintain existing muscle. It stimulates new muscle growth when paired with incline walking, proper posture, and purposeful arm movement. For seniors especially, walking helps improve gait stability, reduce the risk of falls, and combat age-related loss of coordination. Ms. Evelyn made her walks even more effective by using light wrist weights and walking uphill 2 days a week. Her doctor was impressed by her progress: lower blood pressure, stronger legs, and better blood sugar control. "I didn't think walking could change my body," she said, "but now I crave it every morning." If you're just starting, begin with 10 to 15 minutes per day at a comfortable pace. Build up gradually, focus on your posture, swing your arms, and keep your core engaged. Add variety with gentle hills or alternating between slow and brisk paces. And the best part? You don't need a gym or equipment, just a good pair of shoes and a safe path. Activity number 3. Swimming, the full-body fountain of youth. After watching a documentary on actor Anthony Hopkins, Ms. Evelyn discovered something inspiring. The 80-something Oscar winner still swims several times a week as part of his longevity routine. Inspired by his example, she decided to give it a try at her local YMCA. What she found in the pool wasn't just exercise, it was freedom. Swimming is one of the most effective low-impact sports for reversing muscle aging, especially after 60. It builds endurance, tones muscles, boosts cardiovascular health, and supports joint mobility, all without putting strain on your bones or joints. According to a 2019 study from the International Journal of Aquatic Research and Education, seniors who swim regularly showed improved grip strength, muscle mass, and functional mobility compared to their non-swimming peers. What makes swimming so special for older adults is its combination of resistance and support. Every movement in water engages the core, arms, and legs while cushioning the body from impact. It also enhances coordination and promotes better breathing, crucial benefits for aging hearts and lungs. Ms. Evelyn started slowly, swimming twice a week with a beginner's lap routine. She also joined a senior aqua aerobics class, led by a lively instructor in her 70s, and found it not only physically invigorating, but socially uplifting. "The water makes me feel light, strong, and recharged," she says. "It's like a second chance for my body." Even former First Lady Michelle Obama, known for her advocacy for health, has emphasized water workouts as an ideal form of lifelong exercise. Many longevity researchers, including Dr. David Sinclair of Harvard, recognize aquatic movement as a top choice for seniors aiming to extend not just lifespan, but health span. Whether it's swimming laps, water walking, or aqua aerobics, the pool can become your body's best ally. If you're new to the water, start with short sessions and build comfort. Always consult your doctor if you have heart or mobility concerns. But once you're in, don't be surprised if it becomes your favorite form of fitness. Activity number 4. Pickleball. The comeback sport for seniors. Ms. Evelyn had never heard of pickleball until her neighbor, a sprightly 70-year-old retired Army nurse, invited her to a local clinic at the community rec center. The paddles looked like oversized ping-pong gear, and the court was smaller than tennis, but after her first game, she was hooked. "It made me feel alive," she laughed. "And it made me sweat in the best way." Pickleball is one of the fastest-growing sports in the U.S., and for good reason. A mix of tennis, badminton, and ping-pong. This low-impact game offers seniors the perfect balance of cardio, coordination, and social engagement. According to a study published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity, older adults who played pickleball 3 times a week for 6 weeks showed notable improvements in balance, muscular endurance, and overall agility. Unlike high-impact sports, pickleball is played on a small court, reducing joint strain while still requiring quick footwork, lunges, and arm movements that help maintain lean muscle mass. It also keeps your mind sharp as you anticipate the ball and strategize your next move. Even celebrities like Tom Brady and LeBron James have publicly endorsed the sport, not only as athletes, but as investors, backing professional pickleball leagues. And in communities across America, seniors are leading the charge in making pickleball a daily fitness habit. Ms. Evelyn now plays with a group of women every Thursday morning. The laughs are loud, the rallies are friendly but competitive. And the results? Her reflexes are sharper, and she says her legs haven't felt this strong in years. If you're new to pickleball, most YMCAs and senior centers offer beginner sessions. All you need are court shoes, a paddle, and a willingness to try. Don't worry about keeping score. Your muscles and your mind will keep track of the benefits. Activity number 5. Gardening, the natural workout for strength and serenity. When spring arrived in Vermont, Ms. Evelyn dusted off her gardening gloves. She had always enjoyed tending to flowers, but now she looked at it differently, as a gentle whole-body workout. Between lifting bags of soil, kneeling to weed, and reaching to trim shrubs, she found herself breaking a light sweat and engaging muscles she didn't even know she had. Gardening is far more than a peaceful pastime. It offers real physical benefits, particularly for seniors. A 2022 review published in Frontiers in Public Health found that older adults who garden regularly experience improvements in muscle strength, flexibility, coordination, and overall mobility. In fact, gardening has been shown to reduce symptoms of arthritis, enhance grip strength, and promote cardiovascular endurance, all while reducing stress hormones like cortisol. This outdoor activity uniquely combines functional movement, like squatting, bending, and pulling, with exposure to natural sunlight, which boosts vitamin D, crucial for bone health and mood stability. Plus, time spent in nature has been associated with better sleep, reduced inflammation, and even sharper memory in older adults, according to research from the University of Exeter. Even celebrities like Dame Judi Dench, now in her late 80s, have credited daily gardening with helping maintain her physical independence and emotional well-being. "It keeps me grounded, in every sense of the word," she says. Miss Evelyn made gardening part of her weekly routine, planting vegetables and herbs that encouraged her to eat healthier. She added a small bench for rest, used ergonomic tools to protect her joints, and took short breaks to stretch. The results? Stronger legs, better posture, and a deepened sense of joy and purpose. Whether it's planting flowers, tending a vegetable bed, or even managing potted plants on a balcony, gardening offers a safe, meaningful way to stay active. And, as Ms. Evelyn says, you grow more than just plants. You grow stronger, too. Conclusion. Ms. Evelyn's journey reminds us that aging doesn't have to mean slowing down or giving up strength. In fact, it can be the beginning of a whole new chapter, one where movement becomes medicine, and every step, stretch, or stroke in the pool rebuilds confidence and capability. Whether it's through the graceful flow of Tai Chi, the daily rhythm of walking, the buoyant resistance of swimming, the competitive fun of pickleball, or the quiet strength of gardening, each activity offers its own gift, a return to vitality. Scientific research and real-life stories both point to one truth: muscle aging can be slowed and even reversed with consistency and care. No matter your starting point, what matters is that you start, and that you start in a way that brings joy, not pressure. If this video inspired you, comment "strong at any age" below, and tell us which activity you'd love to try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about, because movement, when shared, is even more powerful. Here's to building strength, restoring energy, and living your years with purpose. one simple sport at a time.